You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very French sound from the IPA. It also exists in different languages. This is known as the nasal A sound. It's a nasal vowel. Let's take a look at a few French examples, which you have at the bottom right of your screen here. The sound is as on. So you have a lot of the sound that goes through the nose, which is why it's called nasal. On. A few examples of very common words in French. Dans. Dans. French, it can be spelled as A-N, A-M, E-N, E-M. And I think that's essentially it. En, dans, man, chant, lent, pan. En is how to pronounce it. So it's not on. On is different. On is with O-N. En is with A-N or E-N. En, not on. En. Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.